All right, so we've got another FTP drop coming our way. This is, I think, in Zach's terms, I want to say I saw a story where he's like, massive FTP drop soon. And that was actually a while ago. I think that was almost like a month ago. But last week, we got an Instagram video, Instagram story, where he said that this month there's going to be an FTP drop. When's that going to be? We're getting already mid-April. Their drops are on Sundays. It's not going to be this weekend. So it's either got to be the following weekend, or I think the weekend after that. I don't know if there's any more Sundays in April. So usually FTP does drop on the last Sunday of the month. So keep that in mind. We're probably looking at a late April drop. That being said, the reason you don't see me making a ton of FTP videos, even though they do well and people keep asking like, yo, make more FTP content, which is what I'm trying to do right here with this. We just don't get the official images leaked quick enough. The lookbooks come out like the day before or whatever, so it's just hard to cover it with enough time before the drop to have it like be an effective video. So I'm trying to make this to get this information out there. We have this video that we're going to look at. Shout out to FTP Leaks. He's the one who just kind of like reposts all of the FTP leaks, obviously, which includes Zach's stories and things like that. So we're going to be taking a look at a video, the one that I said dropped last week or went up on Zach's story last week, which shows off a ton of the pieces that are going to be in this collection, this massive drop that's going to be late April. So as you can see in the video, on one side of me, it's been a while since I edited a video like this, but it'll be like half screen right now with whatever. You guys know what it is. The way Zach usually does this is he has a big clothing rack, and then whatever's going to be in the drop is on that clothing rack. So we got the clothing rack, and here's what's going to be in the drop. All right, so to start things off, we have a bunch of pants in the back, and I believe these are corduroy. I was looking at it earlier, and I think these last couple, these like back couple are corduroy. So play it a little bit, and this isn't going to be the greatest. This is a leak. This isn't official images. So yeah, looking up close, does look like these are corduroy. We got navy, a black, and then a white corduroy pant. And then you can also see we have this kind of like olive camo pant here as well. And I think we've actually seen that pattern, or we have a leak of it. We'll look at some more leaks following this video. But yeah, that's what we got so far. We got some pants. Let's see, it looks like some sweats, maybe some chinos, sweat shorts or sweat pants, bunch of jackets. Interesting right here, this one we paused on, it is kind of like a checkerboard top. Might be like terry or velour. It looks like a softer material for sure. Also coming in 3 different colorways. We got that like white one before and then the blue one before that, which all look like the same kind of thing. So pretty cool, just like a checkerboard FTP logo. We've seen Kith do this before, but it was like a lot smaller. And then moving forward, we've got a jacket that matches those pants. You can see the camo there on that part of the jacket. And it also looks like we're gonna get a black and gray version of that, where it's the same silhouette, just instead of the camo, we're using different colored panels. And then moving forward, we have the FTP vertical spell out rayons or button ups. I think they've shown this off before. Looks like we have some tracksuit type material going on here with that like brown and then silver. Looks like we got some jerseys right here. That TBD what kind of sport it is, football or something. I don't know. It looks like it has a collar, so I'm guessing at least probably not baseball. Let's see. And then we have some corduroy shirts or jackets. They don't look like they have a ton of like rigidity. Rigid, I don't know if they don't look like they're that rigid, so I would say a shirt, but maybe it is going to be like a shacket, like a jacket, but it is going to be in the summer, so maybe it is just a corduroy shirt, like a thinner material, which hopefully so. But we got some interesting colorways. I really do like this kind of cream colorway with the little bit darker red, maroon if you will. I don't know, cardinal maybe that's a better definition for it. But we got that. We got this kind of like gray and navy, and then a black and gray as well. So a bunch of corduroy dropping, and then we have some anoraks. Looks like there was an olive one, I think a black after that, and then a gray with these flaps going along the side, which I think we've seen Supreme, and it's just kind of like an anorak silhouette really that kind of like follows that suit. So we got that going on. There's a bunch of stuff on the other side. Maybe that's dropping as well, but we really got no idea what's over there since the video doesn't really show it off that well. All right, so like I said, shout out FTP leaks. Now we're gonna move forward and see the other leaks, which will give you an idea of kind of the other stuff that's dropping, or give you a little bit better look at what is dropping. Let me try to resize this so it's hopefully centered as we scroll through. So we gotta look at this embroidered Glock, like playing the Glock logo. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, so this is the post I was talking about before. Massive FTP release incoming. In the meantime, getting ready for blah blah blah, mental health, working out in the gym. But yeah, that's where it said massive FTP. They got the FTP wallet. Here's that shirt that we were talking about, which I believe is a short sleeve. I'm not sure if I dig the pocket going horizontal or having that like 90-degree rotation, because it's not even spelt out horizontal now. It's still like the vertical just flipped. So I don't know if I'm feeling that. We also have a pen going on there too. So those were teased like a week ago. That was an April Fool's one. Don't mind that. And then we have kind of like the poker table design, which has a bunch of characters that FTP has used in the past, like Boris, the Polo Bear, and I don't know if any of these other ones have names, but this like Molotov kid I think was a couple seasons ago. And then I know they made a statue of the kind of like ghost one, so kind of cool. I don't know if I'm crazy that they have like the white ink also. I feel like they should just printed this in black, because you can see like, I don't know, it might be on like a heather gray, and then the print is white too. Maybe a little unnecessary in my opinion. Let's see, Cole Bennett dropped that one, and then we're back to the Stizzy drop. I'll see if there's any more leaks. Maybe there aren't. I thought there were at least like a couple that would show off kind of what we're looking at. Especially, I thought there was one for the camo stuff, but maybe there isn't. So I don't know. There'll be another drop. So yeah, I looked through it quick. I'm not seeing any other images right away that show off pieces from this drop, but don't worry, there's going to be another video before the drop sometime from my channel that'll go over everything that is dropping, or like the lookbook. We'll have a lot better images rather than just this video to kind of dissect and make predictions based on. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.